Hello guys, it's the gentle here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's session, we are going to compress a video using specific tool. Okay, so as you can see on my right on my screen, we have this video here which is around 141 MBs, and then we are going to compress this video whereby we are also going to maintain the resolution of the video. All right, now, so what are we going to make use of? We are going to make use of this particular tool. It's called Handbrake. Okay, you can just go on internet and then you type on Handbrake, then you install this particular tool. It is a free open source tool. Okay, then you install it on your computer. All right, so now I'm going to open the tool. All right, so here is the tool. This is the interface of how the tool is. You can either drag and drop your video here, or use click and navigate to where the content that you want to compress is, and then you upload it. So for my own case, I'm going to drag it and I'll paste it here. So you give it some time, it's going to upload into the tool. As you can see, we are on Handbrake. Okay, so this is the video here, is showing you a preview of your video. So now what are you going to let me just take you through of how the tool is. Now, as you can see from here, it is a file. Let's say you want to navigate to where the video is. These are tools which is going to show you the queue, that is going to show you the activity that you've done so far. These are like presets. Okay, you can see, you can try to go through, you can import file, export file. Okay, yes, so these are like things that are on queue. Okay, maybe you're doing multiple compressing. All right, yes, and this is a helpline. I don't know if you really need this. Okay, or if you want to also check for updates, since it is an open source tool. So now here it is the time frame of our video. Our video is like let me just say title and then the time frame. Okay, so it's about 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Okay, so these are just like chapters, the duration, what have you. Okay, so now here we want to compress our video. As you can see here, this is a summary, this is the dimension, this is the filter, this is the video. If you are compressing a video, it is the audio. If you want to add subtitle to a video, and if you also want to add chapters to your video, you can just simply import or you export chapters of certain video. So let me go back to the summary. Now here you are going to click on this presets. Okay, so when select on presets, we are going to look for, you see option very fast 2160 to 4K. Okay, all this. So let's just look for maybe we'll just go with this particular preset, fast 720 and 30 frame bitrate. Okay, but you can choose your preference, whatever you want. All right, so now we are going to select this web optimization. Okay, and we are also going to, let me see, you select for web optimization, align AV start, pass through. Okay, let me see the dimension. You might want to change the dimension. This is, you just leave it as default 720. Fill, just leave it like that. Okay, and go to filters, video. So now here in the frame rate, okay, in this particular place you should select constant. Okay, constant frame rate. All right, yes, you might want to change it, but not really, just leave as is, just leave as is. So once done, let's go back to our summary, then you click on start encode. All right, so as you can see down here, it says preparing encoding is writing all this stuff. So now just leave it. Once done, it's going to give you a notification that it's done. So here you can see when done, what do you want it to do. Do you want to shut down, do you want it to sleep, or so I've told it to do nothing. Okay, so as you can see here, it is already encoding and compressing our video. So now I'm going to pause this video up to the end. Once done, we are going to resume. All right, so guys, as you can see, it says queue finished. Okay, so and our compress is done and it's under, let me see, it's under videos. All right, so let me minimize this video, minimize this tool. This is our handbrake tool. Okay, so here now, if you take a look, this was the initial, no, this was the one we've just compressed. This was the initial one, right? Yes, this was the initial which we've just compressed. Okay, so now then this was the one which we just, you can see it's under video. Let me check property. Okay, let me check to confirm that it's actually the one. All right, so as you can see, the time is 15 in 4, the date is 4th August 15:15. You can see my time is not so far, 15:29. Okay, so it's completed some moment ago. Yes, as you can see, this is what, this is 141 MBs. This is what, this is 16 MBs. As you can see, let me open, I'm going to open the compressed one, and I'm also going to open the one that was not compressed initially. As you can see, there is no big difference. You can see no big difference. Okay, yes, there is no big difference at all. Everything is working perfectly. Now let me close this and let me open this one. Okay, you can see there is no big difference. There is no big difference at all. So guys, this is how to compress videos. This is very easy. Just make sure you download this tool. It's called handbrake. Okay, so in our next video, I'm going to show us how to convert, let's say if you record a video and it's in an MKV, or it's in a different version other than MP4 or MP3. I'm going to show you how you're going to compress that with certain tool. Okay, so stay tuned. And if you are new to our channel, okay, this is a YouTube channel. We do post content on a daily. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, kindly comment, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to this YouTube channel. Okay, all right guys, so see you in the next one, and peace.